How to download ChatGPT on Android mobile. Let's get started. Well, unfortunately, ChatGPT cannot be directly downloaded onto an Android mobile device yet, as it does not have an official application, and also it requires significant computational resources and infrastructures to run. So instead, what you can do is open up your web browser and go to ChatGPT's website and log into your ChatGPT account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see these three dots at the upper right corner. Tap on it. And now from the given options, simply select Add to Home Screen option right here. And now set a name for your ChatGPT shortcut. Once you're done, click on the Add button right here. Click on Add once again. And now with this, the ChatGPT will be added directly to your home screen. And it sits in form of an application. So let's head back to your home screen. There you go. Now whenever you want to visit the ChatGPT website, you can simply tap on this icon right here. And you'll be redirected to ChatGPT's website. So yeah, that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.